Hello everyone, in the last video we have discussed one question about page replacement algorithm and we have got to know some important points like whenever you are going to use optimal and there is nothing present in the near future, we are going to use LRU in that case. Okay, and in this question also surely you are going to get something new concept here. Okay, so let's talk about the question. I have not written the question as I have told in the last video. Okay, if you want to know what is the question and all, you can join our Telegram channel. Okay, I'll provide the link in the below description box. So here in the question what they have given, they have said that our main memory is converted to 4 frames. Okay, and here they have given use LRU algorithm, and here also they have given this sequence, but this sequence is not the main memory frame sequence. Okay, here there is nothing about frame sequence, but here they have given some addresses which is generated by CPU. As we know that our CPU always it generates what? CPU will always generate virtual address. So what is virtual address? Let me talk about this for some time. What is virtual address? Virtual address is nothing but our logical address also. And when we are saying this as virtual address and when we are saying this as logical address, so whenever your process, this is nothing but virtual address space is nothing but our process size. Okay, this is nothing but our process size. So whenever your process size is greater than your main memory size, this process size is greater than your main memory size, we are saying we are dividing these processes. Okay, we are dividing this process so that one of the slot will be going to fit inside the main memory and CPU can execute the process. Okay, like this it is happening. So when your process size, suppose this is the process and it is smaller than main memory size, then what will happen? Whole this process will go and contained inside this main memory. So here it is nothing but logical address space. Logical address space or virtual address space, both are nothing but our process size. Okay, logical address space or virtual address space, I am saying this whole space is nothing but our process size, and here this is the main memory. So what they are asking in this question, they have given the virtual address sequence, and always CPU what it will think, it will think that our virtual address is always going to start 0 1 2, always going to start 0 like this. Okay, and they have given that the page size, virtual address is divided into pages. These are called what? Pages, and these are called as main memory is divided into some slots, and these slots are called as frames. Okay, so what they are saying here, they have given this bytes. Okay, bytes. So what does this mean? See, here it is like this 16 byte is 0 1 2 3 like that 15. This is nothing but first byte, second byte, third byte, fourth byte, like this 16 bytes are there. So here the page byte numbers are present here also inside this one 1 2 3 like that, because we know that every time page size is equal to frame size. Okay, so like this here it is present. So if suppose I am taking a reference, taking a logical address 24, okay, or else you can say 8. So here some place 8 is present. Okay, this 8 will refer to which frame number? Frame number 0. Understanding this one? Because this 8 is present inside the frame number 0. These are nothing but frame numbers, these are page numbers. Okay, so whenever CPU is generating this 8 is present in 0th page 8 byte and 0th page 0th frame 8 byte inside the main memory, same thing is present. Like this you have to take this logical address and you have to convert this sequence into physical address. And what they have said our main memory is divided into 4 frames. Okay, main memory is little bit more, but here we are using only 4 frames. Okay, so here we have to make the logical address to physical address. So how we can make? Here just write down byte number. Okay, these are nothing but our byte numbers. Okay, these are the byte numbers. Then again you have to convert these byte numbers into what? Into this frame reference. Okay, frame number. That means which byte is present in which frame numbers. Okay, so here let me tell you this 0 to 15 is first byte or not? This one is first slot or not? Okay, so 0 to 15 byte, whatever will come, it will refer to 0th page. Okay, it will refer to 0th frame. So this will be 0. Okay, and again from 16 to 31 it will refer to first frame. 16, this will be 16 to 31. It will refer to what? Frame number 1. Okay, that will be inside the main memory's frame number 1. Like this you have to generate the sequence for this one. Okay, so just let me write, because here it is till 92, so let me write till the range until we get the 92th byte. Okay, so this is like this. You can find out your own, but let me do it here. This is 32 to 47 is second one, then 48 to 63, this is what? Third page. Then again, if I'll write here, 48 to 63 happen, then 64 to 79 bytes will be referred to fourth one. Okay, then 80 to 95 will be present in fifth frame. Okay, so now we have got, if these bytes are given, virtual address is given, so this will be the what? Either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be the reference number, frame reference number. Okay, so now generate the sequence for this virtual address. Okay, suppose see 0 is coming under which range? This one, so it will be present inside the 0th frame. So this value will be what? This value will be 0 here. Okay, now 4, when 4 will come, 4 will again come in this range, so it will again refer to this 0th frame. But whatever, if 0, 0, 4 is also 0. Now 8 is coming, 8 is also 0. No need to write this many times. Okay, same thing, if it is coming 0, 0, 0, you just write once. Okay, so for 0 it is 0, for 4 it is 0, 8 it is 0 only. For 20, let me check for 20. For 20 it is referred, the range is 1. Okay, so this is 1. Again for 24, the range is 1 only. So the reference number is 1. So no need to write 1 again here. So let it be. Okay, for 36, this one is 2. 2. Again for 44, it is 2. So no need to write. Again for 12. 12 it is 0. Now here you have to write 0. Okay, 12 is 0. See, if continuous sequence is coming for the similar number, no need to write. But whenever there is a gap and again 0 is coming, you have to take this number. Okay. Now for 68, what is happening? For 68 the range is 4. Okay, write down 4 here. Then for 72 again 4, no need to write. Then for 80, it is 5. For 84 it is also 5, no need to write. For 28, it is what? 28 will come under this one, so this is 0. Then for 32 it is 2, so this one is 2. Again for 88 it is 5. Okay, yeah, for 88 it is 5. And for 95 again it is, for 92 again it is 5. Okay, so one more frame is enough. So this is the sequence you have to generate, and in this question this is the trick present here. Okay, so you have to find out the main physical address from the logical address sequence. Okay, from the virtual address sequence you have to find the main memory reference sequence. So here they have asked two questions. The question is, what is the number of page fault and what are the pages present? Okay, what are the pages present inside these frames? Okay, let me do this question by using LRU. Suppose you are using here 0. Okay, so 0, 1 page fault, 0, 1 second page fault. Okay, then 0, 1, 2 third page fault. Whenever 0 is coming, there is nothing, no page fault. Okay, because 0 is already present here. Now for fourth one, 0, 1, 2, 4. Here one more page fault is there. Now 5 is coming. If 5 is there, we have to use now least recently used. 4 is used, 0, 4 is used, 0 is used, 2 is used, 1 is least recently used. Recently, but this is least recently used. So replace this one with 5 and let others as it is. Okay. Now here 1 is coming. Now which one is recently used? 5, 4 and 0. 5, 4, 0 recently used and 2 is least recently used. So replace these 2 and put it like this. Okay, so here again one page fault. Again when 2 is coming, what is happening? 2 will be replaced with what? 1 is there, 5 is there, 4 is there, 0. Okay, 0 will be replaced and 5, 1, 4 and This is also page replacement. So number of page replacement is what? Here 5 is already there, so here there is no page fault. Okay, so number of page fault is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So first question answer is there are 7 page faults. Okay, 7 page faults. And what are these frames present inside this? So these are 1 2 4 and 5. So option B was correct in that question. 7 page faults and 1 to 4 5 are the pages present at the end of the replacement algorithm. Okay, so thank you so much.